In this video, I'm going to explain how the Juggle Sort minigame works in Monopoly Go. So, in case you've seen this and heard about this, I'm going to try my best to explain how this is going to work and how you'll be able to play it as well. So, during the Carnival Games event, players will be able to dive into Juggle Sort, which is basically a new minigame that will put a carnival twist on Peg E. If you've ever played this, you know what I'm talking about. By participating in this minigame, you will have the chance to earn extra rewards while testing your skills, okay? Now, first, in Juggle Sort, players will spend Carnival tokens to guess the correct order of Peg E's colored balls and arrange them accordingly. Every correct guess will earn you a ticket, which can then be exchanged for exciting prizes. And here's a breakdown of how it works. So, the first part is earning tokens. Now, you can win Carnival tokens through leaderboard tournaments and solo events running alongside Juggle Sort. You probably know them because there's a lot of those all the time. You will have to then use those tokens to make as many guesses as you like, and each ball will cost you 1 token. Then the second part is making guesses, so the game keeps track of your past attempts to help you avoid repeating mistakes. If you want to adjust a ball's placement, simply tap it to return it to Peg E and get your token back for another try. So that's very easy, and if you make a mistake, no biggie because you can just try again. Then the third part is locking in the balls. So when you guess correctly, the ball will lock in place while the others are returned. You'll need additional tokens to guess the positions of the remaining balls, and each successful guess will not only lock a ball but also earn you tickets, okay? And now, the last part is winning tickets and rewards, so once all the balls are correctly arranged, you win the total number of tickets displayed on the screen. You'll see there will be a display and it will show how many tickets you have got. These tickets can then be redeemed for rewards shown at the top, such as flash events or dice rolls in Monopoly Go. When you claim a reward, it's placed with a new one, so it will be replaced with a new one. So once you claim a reward, you will likely never get that again, but you will simply get a new reward, which is quite exciting. You may get a new reward though, however, a bigger chunk of that reward. So most rewards are visible, but there's also a chance to unlock a treasure vault, which contains a collection of goodies like dice, cash, and different boosters that can be used inside the game. Now, the more tickets you collect, the bigger prizes you can claim, so your basic aim would be to collect as many tickets as you possibly humanly can. So that's pretty much it. I hope this makes sense, and good luck with your Monopoly Go. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.